Hi, so today I'm gonna do a video about these messy curls, just doing them with a flat iron. I just realized my flat iron is not on. I'm gonna turn it on right now. I'm using this Babyliss Prima 3100. It's nice for curling hair because it has the plates that kind of, well, first of all, they wrap around so you can actually like kind of do some wrapping around stuff, but some flat irons have hard edges and this has a smooth edge, so you're able to like pull, and it's a lot easier for somebody that's not as familiar with curling with a flat iron. One of my friends told me that's a video I should make, so here we are. And I am not doing your usual like beachy waves. I'm doing like a fun kind of like a more messy, dramatic, almost like a really messy curl. So let's get started. I think this is probably hot enough. I think so. So I'm just gonna take the front section. I already did one half because I was like, you guys don't want to sit here through a whole video. Probably not. So we'll just do half. It's weird not doing it in the mirror again. I'm gonna have to get good at this. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. So you turn it. I don't even know why you guys are watching me. I hope you guys saw what I did because I can't use my words because it's weird. And I just pull it like a ribbon, if you've ever done that. And I usually flat iron the ends back to flat. So you guys saw that. It was straight. Now it's not. I'm actually gonna take, and this is what's fun about this hairstyle, is later on you can literally take random pieces and do whatever with them. So you just grab random chunks, honestly. And I'm doing all of it back, but then I'm going through afterwards and just grabbing random pieces and re-curling them to not match. So I'll show you guys how I do that. But at first, to make sure everything is curled, I do kind of get everything going in one direction at first. I like how I'm moving so you can keep seeing where my hair goes to because it's long. And then again, kind of flat iron the ends. It's not gonna completely flat iron them, but it like keeps them from being too curled at the bottom, which I don't love. Oh wait, I gotta redo this. And that's the other thing, if you have really long hair, sometimes it's good for half of it and then you gotta go back and get like the other half a little more. So like, don't be afraid to do that, especially with this. It's like kind of nice to do. Can't see as good in the phone. That's the only thing. I need to figure out a better system, but whatever. Oh, also check out my sweet shirt. Our friend Boss Dog designed this. No bad days here, you know, all good days, guys. And yeah, you guys should check him out. I'll put a link to his page at the bottom. But he does some sweet artwork. He does artwork for mine and Danny's company a lot, and for our motorcycle show. And he has a couple companies, so I'm sure once you follow his page, you could check out all those. So yeah, so I just turn it and then I pull it. This is way different than when I do it all alone. Look at that Cobra. My friend Andy did that tattoo. I'll tag him in it too. He's a sick tattoo artist. When this is all over, you guys can go get tattooed by him. He just opened a new shop right before the quarantine happened. So yeah, I can't wait to check it out once I can get tattooed. I miss getting tattooed so much. Ugh, during this time, it would be like the best too. So it's like the worst that it's like the one thing I would definitely be getting done during the quarantine. In general, like it's like a definite stress reliever for me, and like I'd have the free time to go because I usually am too busy touring or whatever to get tattooed. So now, as you can see, this side doesn't look as much messy as that side, but once I pull them apart, you can kind of start seeing it do what it needs to do. It's pretty good. But what I do now is I grab random pieces that look a little less curled in certain spots and I recurl those. I'm so scared I'm gonna burn my face off because I can't, like, the perception of depth is a little off for some reason for me when I do it in a phone instead of a mirror, because I guess you know, you do this in a mirror your whole freaking life. Freaking life, guys. I tell ya. So here we go, guys. That's what we have. I'm gonna use this AG hair dry wax. It's amazing. If you've never tried it, it is awesome. It's a spray wax, and you just spray that in to give it a little texture and split up any super pieces that are stuck together. But yeah, that's the final result, guys. We did it. Great job. You guys are killing it out there.